Plus, he has Gano, so he'll tank them.
Now watch this. You're gonna get DDoS, and then you're gonna tank the rest, and you're gonna end up getting your cape.
I might have killed him right
Cody,
there.
shut up.
Oh shit, I just late switch. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm dead, 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 dead.
Run!
Oh
Tank!
god.
Bruise and restores. Bruise and restores.
Wow.
I'm behind. I can't. What do you mean you're dead? Unless the screen's really behind.
I think it's way behind.
Yeah, dude. I'm like.
Oh!
Oh fuck! Oh shit!
You were 69 HP.
Holy shit, dude. We're so behind.
Dude, I'm freaking out right now. Oh, I killed him. There we go. Oh my god. And I DC'd! Oh, what are the chances? What are the wait, what? No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What? No, no. Are you serious? Are you serious? Excuse me while I go punch something. Fuck! Wow, did I really just get... Yes! Wow, Lucky! Wow.
That was so
Right.
close.
Wow. I got it.
Yeah.
How
Congrats,
lucky am
congrats
I?
to-
How
job, dude.
lucky can I get?
Holy shit.
Oh my god, good
That's
job.
the fucking nigga.
Holy
What are the chances? I legit got it at the last second.